Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make beef nahari in the Instant Pot. This is my mom's recipe and I've kind of tweaked it to be made in the Instant Pot. So for the ingredients, first off we're going to start off with 2 pounds of beef tenderloin that have been cut into large pieces and 1 pound of beef bones. Next we're going to need about a cup of canola oil and then 1 small onion, and then another quarter of an onion sliced for later on. We're going to need about a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. And we're going to need about 4 to 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And for the masala, I'm using this national brand Delhi Nihari masala. So you're going to need 1 packet of that. And for garnishing, you're going to need a little bit of ginger that has been julienned. You're going to need a handful of green coriander leaves that have been chopped, a few slices of lemon, as well as a few green chilies that have been sliced. So to begin, we're going to set our Instant Pot onto the saute mode. I have mine on high. I'm going to add my about 3/4 cup of oil. And then to this, I'm going to add my 1 small onion that has been sliced. So this is going to saute on that high heat until it's about golden brown. And I like to just stir it every once in a while so that it gets evenly browned. And once the onions are nice and golden brown, you are going to add your beef and bones, as well as the ginger and garlic paste and the salt. You're going to stir this and saute it until a lot of its moisture sort of evaporates and the meat changes color. So I did this for about a good maybe 5 minutes. Then you're going to add your nihari masala. An option here is for you to use your own homemade masala. I do plan on making a video in the future of using homemade masala. I usually do, but for convenience sake I had my favorite national brand Nihari masala, so I use that for this recipe. So yeah, you're going to saute this until it's nice and like cooked through. You'll see the meat start to get browner and the masala is going to stick to the bottom of the pot. At that point you don't want it to burn, so then you're going to add about 8 cups of boiling water. I like to use hot boiling water just so that the temperature of the overall meat and stew is stable. Next we're going to close the lid for the Instant Pot and we're going to set it on manual pressure, high, for 12 minutes, and when it's done we're going to let it release quickly by opening the vent. So be sure to seal your vent as I'm showing you here. So once you hear the beep of the Instant Pot, you're going to release the vent by opening it up, and I like to put a glove on top just so that the steam doesn't go flying everywhere. And also in the meantime, create your roux, which is going to be used to thicken the nihari. So again, like I started with 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and about a 1/4 cup of water, but I found my nihari to be too thin later on, so I added more flour. You could do that depending on how you like your nihari to be. Here you'll see the pin has dropped, which means that the pressure has been, neutralized inside, so it's safe to open the lid. At this point, I set the Instant Pot on the saute mode, and I'm going to add the all-purpose flour roux. So make sure that you're not adding flour directly to the nihari, otherwise you're gonna get flour clumps. This liquid version is the way to go. Give that a good stir. And for the nihari to thicken up, it takes a while. So I let my nihari cook on that low saute mode for about an hour and a half, and occasionally stirred it, and that's when it was perfection. By the end of the hour and a half, it was great. So about 10 minutes before you're ready to serve your nihari, go ahead and put in about a quarter of an onion that's been sliced into a saute pan, and about a quarter cup of oil, and saute this until it's nice and golden brown. This will act as part one of the garnish for our nihari. When you're ready to put in your serving bowl, place the fried onions on top like that, and then when you're ready to plate your food, you can add the other garnish that we cut up earlier. And then this is so yummy, paired with a nice fresh naan. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, bye.